Hello, good afternoon. Today we're gonna focus on um, a new topic, which today we're gonna focus on perimeter. Today we're gonna focus on a new topic called perimeter. Okay, welcome back. So today, the last class of the day, today we're gonna focus on your maths. So the topic for today is something new. All right. So the last topic we learned about the area. Okay, the last topic we learned about the area. However, today we're gonna learn a new topic called perimeter. Okay, let me share screen with you. What's the difference between area and perimeter? Okay, let's say for example, okay, so let's say for example the same square. Okay, let's assume it's the same square. Okay, when you want to find the area, previously we learned is that the area is the content inside. It's all what is the how many boxes being inside. Okay, so this whole thing, the surface, we call it as area. Area is the surface. Okay, which we have how to calculate the surface of a rectangle and also square. We have also learned about the area of surface for triangle. Okay, and then we have also covered the surface area for a combined, okay, combined shape. Okay, so that is what we have learned previously. What we're going to learn today is that we're going to learn what you call it by perimeter. Perimeter. Perimeter is just the line. Okay, perimeter is the line which is outside. Like for example, this line. 1, 2, 3, 4 is just the line. Okay. All right, so that is perimeter. Again, as usual, the object must be a closed object. Then it can be a perimeter. So what you do is that for area, we know that the general formula is the length times with the breadth. Okay. However, for the line, you don't do multiplication, you do addition. You just add the lines together. You just add the lines together. So since it's a new topic, let me share a new video with you on what it means by perimeter today.
I can't hear.
Yeah, I'm trying to adjust the sound louder. Hold on, yeah. But unfortunately, that's the loudest already. Can't really hear, is it? Okay, then let me try to get you another video then. Okay, hold on. Let me show you a different video then. Give me a moment.
I also can't hear.
Yeah, let me try to find another video for you that is louder, alright? Okay, let's see if this one is better. Okay.
I also cannot hear.
Huh? This is very loud. How about the rest? Can the rest hear?
No.
Oh, right. Sorry, I forgot to share.
Yes.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around an object. We can calculate perimeter by adding together the length of all the sides of the object. We are going to discuss how to find the perimeter of polygons, which are shapes with straight sides.
Perimeter is basically all the sides at the exterior. So all these shapes, we call it as polygons. So polygons got many different shapes, but you can only call it as polygon if it's a closed shape. Okay. If let's say I draw something, let's say I draw like this. This is not a polygon because it's open. Now it's polygon. So the polygon can be very weird, can be anything as long as it's closed. All right, so it must be closed. Okay. All right.
There are special rules for finding the distance around round shapes, like circles, which we will talk about another time. Because perimeter is a measure of distance, or length, it has to be measured in units, like inches, centimeters, or miles. Units are really important when measuring perimeter, and here's why. Let's pretend you need to build a fence around your yard. How much fence would you need to buy? You can add the lengths of all the sides together to find the perimeter, but if you...
So you see here, when it's perimeter, you just add all together. So it's 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10. So you know it's 30 meters. Okay, so since it's addition, the unit you just copy the same. It's different from what we learned in area. In area, you have meter square. This one doesn't have a square, just remain as original.
If you forget to add the units, it still won't help you. There's a big difference between 30 inches and 30 meters. When you add the units, you know how long the perimeter is. Now we're going to find the perimeter of some more shapes. Let's start with a triangle. This triangle has 3 sides with 3 different lengths: 5 feet, 10 feet, and 8 feet. To find the perimeter of the triangle, all we need to do is add the lengths of the 3 sides.
5 plus 10 plus 8 equals 23. 23 isn't the answer though. We need to add the units, feet in this case, so we know how long the perimeter is. The perimeter of this triangle is 23 feet.
That was pretty easy, right? Let's try another shape. This time we have a rectangle. Both of the short sides are 2 centimeters long. Both of the long sides are 4 centimeters long. To find the perimeter of the rectangle, we add up the lengths of all the sides. 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 equals 12. Since the sides are measured in centimeters, the answer has to be measured in centimeters too.
So remember, when you want to answer, make sure you must write the unit. Okay, if you did not write the unit, the whole thing will be wrong, regardless what is your answer. Okay, the unit is very important.
The perimeter of this rectangle is 12 centimeters. Next up, we have a square. A square has 4 sides, and all of the sides are the same length. Because the sides are the same length, 5 meters, we can find the perimeter in a different way. We could just add them up, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Or we could use multiplication as a shortcut. Either
Okay, and also remember what I taught you yesterday. When it's a square, sometimes they don't tell you because you can't tell it's a rectangle or square. They'll give you this sign. Okay, this sign, it means that, oh, this one and this one and this one and this one is the same. While rectangle, they give you this sign. Okay, this one is single line, it says 10. While here, the double line, it says 5. So this is double line too. So it means here is also 5. Okay, but sometimes, let me just dramatize it. Okay, they tell you like this. This is 10. So you know this is 10. This is 5. But this one, you see, it doesn't have a double line. So you know this is different. So let's assume they give you 15. So you know it's 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 10. So it's very important to know all this symbol as well.
way, the answer is the same. 5 times 4 equals 20, and the perimeter of this square is 20 meters. This would work for any polygon where all the sides are the same length. Just count how many sides there are and multiply the length of one side by the number of sides. Let's try another one. This is a star. It has 10 sides. Each side is 3 inches long. We could just add up the sides, but it's much faster to multiply. 3 inches times 10 sides equals the perimeter of this shape, 30 inches.
So Jensen, have you verified it's 10 sides? Yes, so it's 10 sides.
Now that you know how to find the perimeter of an object, grab a ruler and practice measuring.
Alright, are you ready? Okay, so this is what we're gonna focus right now. Okay, we're gonna focus on how to do the perimeter. Okay, so let's go back to your textbook first, just for a quick one before we go into some games. Okay. Okay, we do some basic ones first, all right? A rectangle has a perimeter of 14 cm. What could the length of each side? Okay, so this one, it can be anything. So the length, okay, so you can just put any combination. But most important, let's look at question number 1. Look at question number 1. Class 4 has made some straw shapes with a perimeter of 24 cm. In each, one of the label has fallen off. Work out the length that should be missing. Alright, so instead of asking you to plus all, they already plus all for you, which is 24. Okay, so but they say like, hey, I forgot to plus this. What is this? So what you do is that you have to minus. So 24 minus, okay, you can just plus everything else. Okay, that's 2 ways you can do it. One way, you just plus everything else, which is 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 2, 16 plus 5, then you get 21. Okay, but you need it or everything to be 24. So then you take 24 minus 21. You get the answer is 3, not 2. So the answer is 3. But make sure you remember, must write the unit cm, else everything you do will be wrong. Okay, that's one of the method. Or the other method, what you can do is you can take 24, directly minus 6, minus 8, minus 2, minus 5. You will get the same answer is 3 cm. Both it's acceptable. Understand any questions? Okay, no problem. All right, so if no problem, let me zoom back out. Okay, can you try to do by yourself instead of writing on the screen? Can you type in the chat? Can you type in the chat? What do you think is the answer? Okay, question number 1. We know the answer is 24 minus 8 minus 6 minus 2 minus 5. You get 3 cm. Okay. Can you please type the answer to the group 1B and 1C?
B and C. We only do question B and C.
Only B and C. Type into the chat. Okay, Jensen, B, good, correct. Continue. Okay, very good. Do this and do this. What's the answer for B? Very good. Jensen got both correct. Okay, let's do it together. Question B, all right? Okay, question B. You know, all together, it's going to be 24. 24. So you want to find out the missing number. So you take 24 minus 7 minus 4 minus 5. But this is a little bit complicated, so you just make 24 minus 7 plus 4, you get 11. 11 plus 5, you get 16. So 24 minus 16 is 8 cm. Okay, if you understand, can you give me a thumbs up? If you understand, can you give me a thumbs up? If you don't understand, please private message me so I can explain to you. Okay, do you understand that just now? A and B. Okay. Okay. The rest I'll private message you later, okay? Whatever you don't understand. Okay, question number C. What you need to do is you plus all together, you take 6 plus 3 plus 1, you know it's 10, plus 7 plus 2, you know it's 10 plus 9 is 19 cm. But what you want is 24, so 24 minus 19, then you get 5 cm. Then you get 5 cm. Okay? Okay, everyone seems to got it right already. Good job. Okay, if no problem, let's try to play some game. Hooray. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. Okay, let's have, who wants to play this one first? Okay, Jensen, finish it very fast. Let's have Jensen. What's the parameter of this? Calculate fast. Well done. So it's 12 plus 13, you plus all together. Oh, this one it did not say anything, but it did tell you it's a square. Square. Okay, next. Add it up. What do you get? You just need to plus everything. 24 plus 24 plus 14 plus 14. Okay, so it says hexagon means all of it are equal, but now there is 6 sides. Wow, Charlie's and Harold team very fast. Are you guys using calculator? Okay, so these are the easy one. All right, I'll stop Jensen for a moment. Okay, so these are the easy one. You just need to add it up all together. Okay, what I really want to focus is this one. Okay, the odd shapes. Okay, what I want to focus today is the odd shape. Okay, hold on. Okay, so let's say, for example, you want to find the odd shape together. What you need to do is that you need to have 5 plus 4 plus 10 plus 3. Oh no, how do you do this? Very good. So you know this long line is 10, but here is 4, and here you don't know. So you take 10 minus 4, you get 6. You find the opposites. Okay, so that's how you get 6. While this one, same thing, you find the opposite line here. You get to know it's same like this. Here is 5. And here it's opposite. You get to know it's 3. So all you need to plot together are 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 10 plus 3 plus 5. That's how you do when it's odd shape. Understand? Okay. So this one, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna give you. Okay, I'll give you some time to do it. Okay, I explain. Hey, Jensen, I haven't stopped your control yet. Hold on. Give me a moment. Don't touch anything. Hands up, please. Just for a moment, Jensen. Thank you. Okay. Yes, you can do it now. All right. So I'll go through one by one with you, and later I'll need you to do it by yourself. All right. Okay. So this one, what you get is 5 plus 5, 10 plus 10, 20, 30. So it's 36. Answer is 36. Got it? Okay. So this one, same thing. You got this, check. This side, check. This side, check. This side, check. This side, check. Oh, this is the missing one. So here you got to know it is. Here is 24. And here opposite is 12. So therefore you add together 24 plus 24, 48. 48 plus with 24. So you get 60. 60 plus this 2 is 30. Okay, sorry, there's a calculation error. Okay, let's calculate it one more time. 24 plus 24 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 18. So you get 100 and I get 102. Is there any answer? Oh, right. It's a tricky one. I missed it too. Okay, 102. No answer, right? You know what happened? Ding dong, ding dong. I haven't closed this yet. Oh my goodness. So here it's 18. You see this whole line here is 18. Here is 12. So 18 minus 12 here is 6. So we still need to plus another 6. 102 plus 6, that's why the answer is 108. Understand? Okay. Okay. Would Harold and Charlize like to try this? Okay, write down what is missing here. And then find out what's the answer. Harold, Charlize, would you like to try? Good. Very good, 3 cm. So what is the total perimeter of the shaded area? Which is the answer? Which is the answer? Very good. It's 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 7. And you will get, you have the control, Charlize. Oh, okay. Let me control for you then. Very good. Good job. Okay. Okay. Okay, next. Let's, who would like to do this? Yuna, would you like to try? Harold, Charlize, enough, not your turn. Okay. If Joanna want to try? No, not ready. Okay, no problem. Okay, anyone else want to try? Siti Sarah, would you like to try?
Yes.
Siti Sarah, would you like to try this? Write down. Okay, please write on the screen. What is this amount here? What is this amount here? And what is the amount here? Okay. What you need to add all together. After this will be Yuna, okay? So Siti Sarah, can you write? Can you use a notate?
Yeah.
Hello, my dear Harold.
Yes.
Don't write. Siti Sarah's turn. Oh, 37. Okay, so basically, first of all, we need to know this. This one is 2. So this one is 5. How about this one? So you need to find this one. So this whole thing is 13. So it's 5 and 2. 5 and 2 is 7. 13 minus 7. What do you get? 13 minus 7. You get 6. Okay. So then you get, you plus all together. Okay, all the answers different. Okay, some say here and some say that. Let's plus together. Okay, let's plus together. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4. 5 plus 5 is another 10. Okay, so we got 10. We got 4. Okay, 4 plus another 2, let's make it 6. Okay, then here you get 11. Here you got 13. Okay, so what's the answer you get? Okay, so you get 13 plus 11, you get 24, 24 plus with 10, 34, 34 plus with 6, you get 40. Got it? I think you might have missed this number too. All right. Okay, Yuna, would you like to try to do this? Just scribble on the board, just scribble on the screen. Then one shaded area. So not here, this is not the right line, but you need to plus this line. 4, 13, 18. This one you have to figure out what is it? 6. This one you need to figure out. This one you need to figure out, and this. So there's a few numbers you need to figure out over here, and over here. Harold, can you respect your friends, please? You have done it already. Thanks for your contribution. Okay, let Yuna do now. Ooh, what happened to Yuna? Yuna disconnected already? Okay. Okay, Harold, it's your turn then. Okay. Harold and Charlize, go ahead. Okay, so here opposite is the same. So it's 13. Okay, so here is 18 minus 4 minus 6. So it's 8. Good. And here is 3. So all plus together. So you get 26. And this one is 36. Then you plus with another 6. So very good. So the answer is 68. Oh. Okay, any questions on this? Can you do this? Okay, if you can do this, this is what I'm going to post into your Google Classroom. Okay, so as well as your okay, so as well as your chat as well. All right. Okay. So if you have no question, okay, you can leave early. If you have question, feel free to stay back. Okay, I'll explain to you. All right. Okay, that's all for the class today. Good news today. Oh, rarely we managed to finish earlier. All right. Okay, so we have learned everything about perimeter today. Yes, any questions?
Sorry.
No problem. Hi. Hi, little sister. All right. Okay, Siti Sarah, how is everything? Oh, she left already. Okay. Okay, she don't understand, but she left. All right. Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. You're so happy.